Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hello guys, welcome to another video in Traveler's Scenes channel. We embarked on a weekend adventure trip to the hidden jewel of the North Philippines, Bolinao, Pangasinan. On this budget-friendly adventure trip, we will take you through these Bolinao's treasures. But before we start, let's take you in a quick view. Where exactly this amazing country, the Republic of the Philippines, located? The Republic of the Philippines is an archipelagic country in Southeast Asia. It is situated in the western Pacific Ocean and consists of around 7,641 islands that are broadly categorized under three main geographical divisions from north to south. Division of Luzon, Division of Visayas, and Division of Mindanao. Division of Luzon is the largest and most populous division island in the Philippines. It is ranked 15th largest in the world by land area. Located in the northern portion of the archipelago, Luzon, it is the economic and political center of the nation. being home to the country's capital city, Manila. Division of Luzon comprises of 8 regions. Region 1, Ilocos Region. Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Region 3, Central Luzon. Region 4, Calabarzon. Region 5, Southwestern Tagalog Region, Mimaropa. Region 6, Bicol Region. Region 7, Cordillera Administrative Region, CAR. Region 8, National Capital Region, NCR. Ilocos Region, designated as Region Number 1, occupying the northwestern section of Luzon. Ilocos Region comprises 4 provinces. Province of Ilocos Norte, Province of Ilocos Sur, Province of La Union, and the Province of Pangasinan. Province of Pangasinan is a coastal province in the Philippines, located in the western area of Ilocos Region. It is bordered by La Union to the north, Benguet and Nueva Vizcaya to the northeast, Nueva Ecija to the southeast, and Zambales and Tarlac to the south. To the west of Pangasinan is the South China Sea. The name Pangasinan means, place of salt, or, place of salt making. It is derived from the prefix pang, meaning, for. The root word asin, meaning, salt, and suffix an, signifying, location. Pangasinan has a lots of popular tourist attractions. Include the 100 Islands National Park in Alaminos. Dagupan City is known for its Bengus Festival, Milkfish Festival. Pangasinan is also known for its delicious mangoes and ceramic oven-baked Calasiao Puto, native rice cake. For those who seeks adventures, There are several caves in Pangasinan waiting to be explored. There is the Kakupangan Cave in the town of Mabini, Cindy's Cave, Wonderful Cave and Enchanted Cave in Bolinao, and the 200-meter Villacorta Caves in the town of Villacorta, with waterfalls, pools and rock formations. And finally the white sand beaches of Bolinao and Docile. Bolinao. Officially called the Municipality of Bolinao. One of 44 municipalities of the Province of Pangasinan. Is a first-class municipality in the Province of Pangasinan. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 83,979 people. Bolinao is the northernmost town in the province of Pangasinan. It's 287 kilometers, 178 mile, from country's capital city, Manila. When you think of Bolinao in Pangasinan, the first thing that comes to mind is the Patar White Beach. A pristine coast with creamy white sand and its turquoise-colored water. That is compared to the likes of Boracay and El Nido. But Bolinao has a lots more to offer for those who dare to explore. Patar Beach is the most popular among locals and tourists. Revelers enjoy the white sand and the lively vibe of the place. But apart from the white sand beaches, Bolinao also boasts unique ones like Andron Bayanging Beach, also called Bato Beach. The shore is dotted with rock formations and the waters are mostly shallow. Hence, the locals also prefer to bring their kids here for a dip. Hidden 30 minutes away from idyllic Patar Beach to the forest side, you'll find the gem that is Bolinao Falls. A mesmerizing waterfall tucked inside a quiet community. It deserves a spot on your bucket list. It's divided into 3 waterfalls, all located along the beautiful Bolinao River. Each fall has different views and features, and you can choose to explore just one or you try all 3. For lack of a nickname, the locals have come to call it Boinao Falls 1 and Bolinao Falls 2 in Samang Norte village, located just 10 minutes apart from each other. Both falls are ideal for swimming and communing with nature. Perhaps the most popular is Bolinao Falls 1. Also has the highest cliff among the 3 waterfalls. The best bet for adrenaline junkies, with a jump-off point that is 2-story high. Both falls are equally beautiful, especially when not crowded with tourists. The cool crystal waters are what attract tourists to this place. Jump in the falls and you will have a very refreshing treat. The Tara Falls, the third one, located in Tara Village. This fall is like a Windows wallpaper that has come to life with its breathtaking scenery. The place is a combination of the first two waterfalls. There's a large water area that is good for swimming and rafting, and another area for cliff jumping. There are relatively fewer people going there. It's the go-to falls for some quiet time with family or friends. In our next video we will take you through this refreshing experience. So hurry up and hit the notification button below. One unique thing about Patar Bolinao is the presence of caves. With natural crystal clear fresh spring water that is great for a refreshing swim. Because of the unique landscape of the area, we would not be surprised if there are a few more undiscovered caves in the vicinity. For visitors, however, there are 3 caves that you can visit for a little spelunking and swimming. It is advised that you wear slippers or aqua socks to avoid being cut by the stones when exploring the caves of Patar. Enchanted Cave is a cave that can be found while traveling Patar Beach Road, one of the more popular caves in the area. Because some local movies were shot inside the cave, they have turned the area into a small whimsical park, wherein one can rent benches for a picnic or simply to hang around. Wonderful Cave is run by a local family and is one of the favorite destinations. This is a smaller cave but has the same cool spring water that runs inside, because a family that lives there runs it. The cave seems a little bit less commercialized than Enchanted Cave. Cindy's Cave. What makes this cave special is that it has a bit shallow water, so if there are kids, or if you want to just wade in the water, this cave may be more enjoyable. You can actually walk across the cave in waist-high water, or just sit around and enjoy the cool water. The best time to visit any of these 3 caves or waterfalls is when it is not peak season, such as summer and Christmas season. Weekdays is much preferable than weekends, so you can have them all to yourself. One must understand that these are rather small caves and waterfalls. With droves of tourists and locals, it does become crowded, and the novelty of visiting the caves and waterfalls somewhat wears out. However, if timed properly, you can have a great experience that can be cherished forever. If you are interested to know how to get there, to Bolinao white beaches, caves or waterfalls, just write in the comments below and I'll reply with the detail. There still are lots of different natural views, sunset beauties, and beach qualities that can be seen in other places in Bolinao, Pangasinan and in other parts of northern Luzon as well. That can surely uplift your spirit with a sense of relaxation and appreciation of what nature can offer. On your way to Bolinao, don't forget to see the famous lighthouse. Cape Bolinao Lighthouse was built on top of the hill of Punta Piedra Point in 1905, by American, British, and Filipino engineers. It's about 351 feet above the sea level, while the lighthouse itself stands at 101 feet. For over a century, this lighthouse served as a guide to ships and boats traversing the sea. This is a recommended place to catch the sunset. The Bolinao Church is certainly worth a visit if you like seeing old churches. The beautiful Bolinao Church is formerly called St. James the Great Parish. Is located in the center of Bolinao town in Concordia Poblacion Road. It is one of the oldest churches in the country. It was built by the Augustinian friars in 1609. Originally the church tower, which was 75 feet tall, was the tallest in the entire province of Pangasinan. As with other ancient churches in the Philippines, the Bolinao Church is made of stone reinforced with hardwood, making it a sight to behold. It has high ceilings and marble floors with historical memorabilia scattered around the church. The town itself is a great place to shop around for fresh fish, fruits, delicacies and local products. The church and town center is around 20 minutes from Patar Beach and can be reached easily by private car or public transportation. After your historical tour around town or your relaxing time at the beach, you will find lodgings that will suit your taste and budget, whether you want them to be basic or luxurious. The coastal town has a wide array of choices, from budget-friendly to high-end ones. You just need to book ahead of your visit. If you are going during the peak season, which is summer, March to May. In the description below you will find the top recommended resorts in Bolinao, as rated by Agoda users. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.